Ready, set, go.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Pranay. I'm from Northeastern University doing my majors in telecommunication systems management. As part of my SDN coursework, I'm here to present my project, which is detecting and minimizing the DOS attack, and also along with the conventional firewall using the Pyretic framework. So the main aspect I chose this project are my motivations are in the denial of service attack is like major concern in the enterprise networks nowadays. So to prevent this DOS attack, we use the Pyretic framework and implement it, and also purchasing dedicated hardware for all the network applications like for forwarding switches, routers, firewall, and security is also a concern. So using this solution, we'll bind them together using Pyretic framework, and also by using this command software, it's like cost-effective solution, so that we don't need to buy different hardware. And to achieve this, I primarily focused on the Pyretic programming framework, which will basically it will abstract the OpenFlow switch into multiple modular components so that you can implement each function in one of the modular components. And the primary focus of the project is to develop the solution based on SDN, and also to achieve different functionalities in the switch simultaneously, like the forwarding switch and it acting as a router and a firewall and black hole monitor and flow monitor and black hole redirector simultaneously with running just one application. And Pyretic allows us to virtualize a one switch into multiple switches, as I said, multiple virtual switches. So you can basically take the input packet and process the packet at multiple locations inside the switch with multiple applications. Like once you take the packet inside, you apply first firewall policy, then apply based on the packet information, you either route the packet or you switch the packet. And also based on the criteria, it will also forward it to black hole redirector. So what flow monitor and black hole redirector is, inside the LAN, if you have a web server and from the external internet, if the LAN receives too many packets, then it basically gives a denial of service. If the external network may send multiple packets simultaneously, so that the other users may not get the available bandwidth, and also they may not get the responses for the request. So what we basically do is we take the packet. If the input packets are more than a particular rate, then you redirect the flow from the LAN to another black hole, so that black hole will basically discard all the packets. So this is the setup. This is the inside LAN. Two hosts we have and a web server, and one more host which is in the outside internet. So also this is a black hole host where all the requests are being forwarded if the packet rate is above some threshold. So here our focus is mainly to make these two hosts communicate with each other without any disturbance. This is basically a LAN, so host 1 should be able to reach host 2 without any routing stuff. So it just acts as a normal switch in that case. And for the external network, you basically apply a firewall module here, the firewall module, and then after that you basically the switch also acts as a router for the external network. And as I said, if the incoming packet rate is more than a particular threshold, it will redirect all the packets to this black host. So this is the topology I have set up with all the IP addresses. So these are all the files I used, like project prototype network.py. This basically contains the network prototype in the Mininet. So if you run that prototype, it will create the topology. And this pyretic main.py, this file binds all these functionalities together, and if on the controller, if you run this Python file, then we'll be able to configure all the modules at a time on the switch. So we install pyretic, we install the web server inside the LAN, and we set up the Mininet topology, and we run the controller. Actually, we do this reverse. First we run the controller with that, and then set up the Mininet. So these are just the implementation. When I run the controller, it will basically create all the virtual switch components. And yeah, these are the results. Like if host H1 is able to ping H2, then it's working fine, because both are inside the LAN, and H4 should not be able to initiate a connection to the web server since it's in the external network. So it has to be initiated from the web server. And for the black hole, for the implementation of black hole redirector, we need to set up a telnet session from outside, and we need to continuously generate the request, like more than a threshold value. In this project, I set up that request with value of threshold of 5. So if it receives request more than 5 packets per second, then it will cause them. It won't allow. So this is it. So if you have any more questions.
Have you written the code for all the modules that you
actually, I've used the library functions for the I use library modules for forwarding, firewall, flow monitor, not the flow monitor, and the routing application, which is, maybe I didn't mention it here. So the router application, and I binded them all together in the pyretic main.py. That's I contributed to.
So will the black hole respond to all the things from the internet?
No, it will discard all the pings. It will discard all the pings. Thank you.